This is my second year trading futures, right? So 4 years before that was just on and off trading CFDs, Forex, etc. This is the thing about me. My followers like, man, you changed so much, Cammy Capital. But if I'm presented with something that seems to make more sense logically, comes across as more factual, I'll change at the drop of a dime. So I started trading order flow style, trading the price ladder, utilizing these time and sales, etc. And that's how I've been trading since I've come back to trading, and it's been pretty good so far. Still a work in progress, but totally different to how I used to trade. Yeah.
I finally got access to Topstep X. That's what I was really excited about and wanted to actually talk to you guys about. You know, I have friends and like followers that have been asking about Topstep X, but so far I've loved it. The trading on it has been so simple, and it just made trading for me so easy.
People in the chat do remember you, Justin. They do remember you indeed, Justin. So let's just get it out of the way.
Probably for one specific thing.
Yeah. So again, I am Andre. That is Dolby. So Justin, with that being said, do you know our names?
I think it's Andre and Dolby.
Very good.
It's coming up.
We can move on. Thank you, Justin.
I call my dad after a day at the pit, and I'd be mad somebody stole a trade or something, and he would say, you know what, son, it really doesn't pay to be mad. Half the people you're mad at don't know you're mad. The other half don't give a shit. The only person it affects is you, so just let it go. And that's true with revenge trading. If you're mad at yourself, if you're mad at anybody, it's not going to do you any good. It just fills your veins with venom, and that venom is poisonous, and it's going to kill you. So let go of all the anger. Happy traders make better traders.
We got 5 running here. We got 5 running here. We got 5 running here.
There's another good push.
Flat.
How do we do?
Flat. That was 4,800 right there.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Hey, no, that was all you guys. Nice play off that settle. I didn't. No, that was all you guys. Way to freaking call out that
Awesome.
settle. Way to call out that settle play. Hell yeah, guys. Well, great job, JD, John.
Very
and Reed.
nice.
Hell yes.